Hi, I'm Dawn with Drucker Diagnostics, and today we're going to remove the rotor from the 642E centrifuge.
How to remove the 642E rotor.
The 642E rotor can be easily removed for service and cleaning. With the centrifuge at a complete stop, hit the Stop Unlock button to disengage the lid lock. Open the lid by turning the lid latch a quarter turn counterclockwise and lift the lid open. Leave the lid open during the next steps. Disconnect the power by unplugging the centrifuge from the wall socket. Next, remove any tube holders that are sitting in the rotor. You should be able to simply lift these out. Place them to the side. Your rotor is held in the centrifuge by a nut right on the center spindle. You will need a nut driver or a similar tool that can help you loosen this. Once you have your tool, you will turn the nut counterclockwise to loosen. Keep loosening it until the nut comes free. Place it to the side in an easy-to-reach location. Make sure you don't lose it. Now, the rotor should be able to simply lift free of the spindle. For instructions on how to reinstall the rotor, make sure you check out the video linked above. And that's all there is to it. If you still have questions about how to remove the rotor on your 642E centrifuge, you can contact Drucker customer service. Thanks for watching and have a great day.